Okay, live.
Sweet. Did you yeah? Did you change those settings to just be focused on your desktop?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah, I have. Okay, let's go back here. EdX. Pull this up. So just let me know if there's a lot of background noise. I mean, there's a bar here and there's some music playing above me.
Yeah, there's a little bit, but it's fine. I can hear you.
Okay, cool. All right. Okay, done that one. Homework 1. Okay, we're on this one over here. Rock, paper, scissors. Cool.
Yep.
Okay.
You
In a game of rock,
wanna
paper, scissors. Da 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 da. Right, let's get this set up.
pop me the link to your teammate there?
Yeah, I haven't started it yet. Project. CD projects. Homework 1. Hope teammate works. I'm on a
Wi-Fi.
yeah. We trying in 10 seconds. It's saying I can't connect. Master.teammate.io, look up later. Let me try. That works. Let's look up. Yeah, that works. That's weird. It immediately breaks. Okay, let me do this.
Okay.
I'm actually just going to just hack my host's file. Let's see, hosts. I hope this works. Oh, jeez. Hang on. Okay, I better remember to disable that hack.
Okay, cool.
You got that?
Yep. I'm gonna connect now. Just give me 1 second. Just trying to connect.
Any luck?
Cool.
All right. Ruby calisthenics. Vim lib. Rock, paper, scissors. Cool. And then what we're going to do over here. Actually, let me do this. Make this full screen. Can you see that still?
Yeah, again.
Cool. Let's edit the spec file. Okay. Oh, okay. Edit it anyway.
Wrong file.
Oh, damn it. Okay.
So, let me just move around a bit. Let me see if it's lagging at all or not.
Okay. How's that?
Slightly laggy, but I think we'll be able to cope with it.
Okay. Art spec. Hang on. Ruby calisthenics. RSpec, spec, rock, paper, scissors. And dash dash fail fast. Okay.
Yep.
It's not failing fast.
I think because everything is pending.
Okay.
I think if you just change that first one to true, it should fail on that.
Where?
If you change the first spec to true, they're all set to. I mean, you set it to false.
All right. Okay. Sorry, I didn't see that.
There you go. That should fail fast now. Sweet.
Okay. Do you want to get cracking?
Okay. Cool.
Well, let's see. Scotch.
Okay, let's see what they say. In a game of rock, paper, scissors, each player chooses to play rock, paper, scissors. The rules are rock. Okay. In a round, each player's name and strategy is encoded as an array of 2 elements. Okay. Create rock, paper, scissors class with a method winner that takes 2 element arrays like the one above and turns the one representing the winner. Okay, if either player strategy is something other than rock, paper, scissors, case sensitive, the method should raise no such strategy exception, provide the message.
So what it's doing there is it's sending a rock, and then, well, it's sending player 1, which is whatever, and then it's sending Dave and a W. And it's breaking because W is not
a valid thing, strategy. Okay. Why does it show? What's the lambda for, if you don't mind me asking?
The lambda is, it runs this code within a lambda, and then it executes. What it does is it changes the lambda to a dot should. So, and it tests that the lambda should raise an error. It's just so that you can sort of trap that execution within something that can be passed around. Otherwise, you can't really you can't really test that an exception is raised any other way.
Okay.
Okay, so.
Okay. So they're expecting us to raise that error, but it's not raising that error.
Yeah, because okay. Let me get started then.
Okay.
So let's do this. Let's make a constant here.
Okay.
Strategies equals
RPS.
Percent W RP. Yes, I should quickly hop over to prior. Make sure percent. Okay. E equals percent W ABC. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So that is right. Okay. So we're just gonna say these are our strategies: rock, paper, scissors. Okay.
Does that get saved as an array? The strategies.
What? Yeah. Percent W is a word array. So just check over here.
Okay.
You don't have to worry about like escaping your strings. It just separates them in space. It turns all the elements, splits the elements into an array. Oops. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to say, we'll just say raise no strategy error if player 2, if not player 2, we should put the documentation here. Sorry.
It'll be not dot. It'll be square brackets 1, right?
No, I don't want to tell. I want to. Yeah. So if player 2 1 dot has, I think is the key. I'm just looking at the class array. That's Ruby on Rails array. No, right, here we go.
Wouldn't you just go like dot includes?
Yes, that was what I was looking for. Okay, yeah, include. Cool. Okay, so we'll just say include. No, it's strategies.
If strategies dot includes
player one
dashboard.
Or not. Strategies dot include player 2 1.
Can you not go like include question marks and in brackets or in parentheses player 1 or player 2?
Let me take a look.
Instead of like writing out the strategies both times. No.
It's one. It looks like it's one single thing.
Okay.
And it's breaking. Something's wrong. There is unexpected identifier accepting keyword end. That's weird.
Raise if.
Okay, let's just do this.
Okay. We'll fix it up later.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, that works.
Did it?
Okay, so
did it one pass?
No, it's breaking now with something else. Expected strategy.
Expected strategy must be one of RPS. Got no such strategy.
Okay, hang on. Expected rock paper strategy. Oh, sorry, we didn't put an error message in.
Oh.
How do we do that?
Don't you just like comma something, or in parentheses after the no such strategy error? Oh no.
Oh yeah, okay. So
won't we have to put it because we have that class on top? Don't you put it in there maybe?
No, we did, yeah.
Guessing. Something like that, right? We done it in one. Which other one that we do that we? What the fuck is going on here?
Sorry, I'm blanking here. I'm also pretty tired. Okay, Ruby.
So I'm just gonna go back and check one of our other examples. I'm sure we done it in another example, like earlier in this.
No, we just raised an exception. I don't think we put a message in. But go check anyway while I'm checking it out. Okay, Miles, once again, you are right.
Right, sir.
It is raised and then okay, that works. Let's just fix this up. Okay, cool. Let me just quickly. Okay, you can do the next one.
Okay. Failure. Rock, paper, scissors, winner. Rock, scissors, should equal to rock. Expected Armando R. Cardinal.
Okay. So what we now need to do is we need to say when rock this, that, if rock.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go up. Which? It's this first test, right?
Mm-hmm.
This one here. Rock, break, scissors. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Okay. So.
Mountain, yeah.
We need to figure out how, like, the rules for the game. How do we represent that, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so this is like fairly simple. If we're playing a more complicated version like rock, paper, scissors, lizard, spot, we'd need to start. We'd have to start doing modular arithmetic. But I think what we can actually just do is let's try to see if we can solve this with a simple hash map, maybe.
Yeah, I was thinking, like, so we'll just have like our like winners will be like the key will be the winner, and the value will be the one that's compared against, kind of thing. Is that what you're thinking of?
Yeah, so let's try that.
Should I put it
in the winner as well?
In a constant, okay.
Yeah.
Winners is equal to can I make the we have to make them strings in, not symbols.
Yeah, if you're gonna make them just make it a hash, eh? So make it curly braces.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, this thing's slightly laggy on my side, so I'm typing so slow.
Okay. Well, I'm going to tell you, like, the lag is perfect on my side, because as I hear what you say, I see the characters appear.
Oh.
So, okay, so...
so rock... rock beats...
scissors.
Scissors. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So what's the other option? Rock does not beat paper. Rock. So that's only one rock beat, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's like a simple thing. Okay.
Okay. Paper.
Beats rock.
Paper beats rock. And then scissors
beats paper. Cool.
Right, so that's our little guide, a strategy guide kind of thing, or okay. So what do we need to return? We actually want the winner. So, wait, hold on. Don't tell me.
What we're testing here is rock must be paper, hey? Rock must be scissors.
Rock must be scissors, yeah. If no, that's wrong. If winners player 1
it might be useful to
set them somewhere else.
Make some variables.
Okay.
But don't worry about that now. Just get your thoughts out.
Okay. If player 1, how would we? If that player 1, wait, equals no. I'm losing. Wait.
Yeah.
Because I was thinking of saying, like, if winners play a 1-1 is equal to winners play a 2-1, then return play a 1-1 kind of thing. But I don't know if that would work.
Okay.
Would that work?
I've actually solved this problem in Python. Should we just take a quick look?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I hope I've got it on my computer. Let's see. Okay, I've actually got it on. Here we go. Bitbucket. Just give me a sec to log into Bitbucket.
Okay.
You can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Then maybe I'll just let's take a look at my browser for the time being. Just gonna want my what? Okay, it looks like it let me in. Okay, source code. Okay, this is what we want. All right. So what we want over here is okay. So what we should do is this. First, let's make it let's assign these things numbers.
Okay.
Okay. So let's do this. We could say let's say rock. Oops. Is 0. That's 1. That's 2. Okay. Then what we can also do is we can then say, where do we get the difference from? Okay. Okay. So if the difference is greater than 0, then we just do a modulo 3 on the difference. Let me just do this.
Say that again.
If the difference is 0, we'll do a modulo 3.
Okay.
Oops. Okay. Okay, so we'll say difference equals, the difference is player 1 minus player 2.
Player 2, okay.
So let's just go P1 choice equals player 1, 1.
Okay.
Okay. So we can say the difference is P1 minus P2. Then we can say difference equals difference modulo 3. Because we're not playing rock, paper, scissors as a swap, we're just playing rock, paper, scissors. If difference is greater than 0. Okay.
Difference is equal to difference modulo 3 if difference.
Okay, so I would say if difference equals 1, or we might need to just check these differences out and then tweak the numbers.
Okay.
Because it won't go 1, 2, 3. I think it might just go. Just say if difference
0, 1, 2.
Difference equals 1, then we return player 1.
Okay. Yeah, just full player 1. Yeah.
Else, if difference equals 2, player 2, then okay, we'll put the other one in
Okay.
So didn't escape that sequence quick enough. Okay.
Should equal no method error, undefined method.
Oh, sorry, we didn't convert it to numbers. So player one choice is equal to winners.
Oh.
Player one.
Yep. Type error. Null can be converted into fixed null. Null. What is it getting null for?
It's obviously picking up null here on the winners thing.
Why would it pick up? It should have those keys though. Dude, it should be one for both.
Oh, jeez, of course. And make that player two. I'll switch the wrong numbers around. Okay, that one's working.
Sweet.
Okay. All right. So now the only one that we don't have working is the scissors one. So we'll just say
scissors cuts.
Else if difference equals 0. Okay. The first player wins if both use the same. So we'll just say player 1. And that should work. Okay. And then rock should win for paper.
Rock should win for paper.
Sorry, no, paper should win when it's rock.
Base case. Rock paper should equal to paper. So
I don't know where are we? Okay.
It must be negative. If it's negative,
hang on. What line is it complaining about? Rock, paper, scissors, spec. Line 29.
Line 29, yeah.
Are we in the tournament now? Yeah, we're working on the tournament.
Oh.
Okay.
Isn't that was it not impending? No.
Describe tournament do. Let me just put this in pending. Okay. Alright, so the game works.
Okay, cool.
Nice modular arithmetic for the win.
That is a clever way to do it.
Yeah, okay, so let's just do this. If difference equals 1 or difference equals 0. And then we can actually just say else. Right? I suppose we could also do this. We could also say, sorry, the barman are having a bit of a...
That's cool.
We can then just say, it's a difference. We can just say player 1, yeah? Or player 2.
Okay.
Take that out. That should still work. Okay, cool. There's one more thing I want to do here. I want to change that to say strategies.
Okay.
And then what we can do over here is strategies dot keys.
Okay, cool.
Then we just change it to strategies as well. Oops.
Okay, cool.
God damn it. There we go.
Sweet.
It's still a bit neater, and that still works. Cool.
Nice.
Let me just commit this. Okay.
So let's see what they want in a tournament. Rock, paper, scissors tournament is encoded as an array of games. That is, each element can be considered its own tournament. Dave beat
Okay, where are we? At the tournament. Okay.
Yeah. Unless,
okay, so
we're
going to be getting an array of arrays. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So in the tournament above, Armando will always play P and Dave will always play S.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the tournament plays out as follows. Under this scenario, Dave will beat Armando. Okay, so can you see my cursor?
Where are you? In your?
On my browser.
Yeah.
Okay, so check this out. This is how it works, right?
Mm-hmm.
Armando and Dave fight. Dave wins.
Yeah. Dave wins, yeah.
Then Dave will fight the winner of this bracket. So rock and scissor, Richard wins. Therefore, Dave and Richard win. Okay, and then it goes on to these guys. So, okay, Dave and Richard will fight this, rock and scissor, so Richard wins this tournament over here.
Mm-hmm.
Then Alan and Omar, Alan wins. David E and Richard X, David E wins. So Alan and David go, scissors and rock, rock wins again. So David E and Richard, that should land up tying.
Yeah, and then the first
person.
No,
it won't tie. It will be Richard will win because he's player one.
He's player one, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. That makes sense. Okay, cool. Let's see how the test breaks. Okay, I'm just going to scoot this over a little bit. Let's undo that pending. And how does it break? Okay.
Tournament winner should equal to paper. Expected Dave
P.
No. Dave P.
Yeah.
So let's check which one they're talking about. But there's no Dave P.
That's weird.
Am I reading that wrong?
Hang on.
There's no Dave P.
Wait. Okay, what line? It's line 29, right?
29, yeah.
Let me just zoom into this.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, hang on. So this is a simple case. Winner of rock and paper should equal paper. Okay. And paper is defined up there as Dave P. Does that make sense?
Okay. I see what you're saying.
Right.
Okay.
Cool.
They didn't even do like that proper tournament. It's just testing out that your logic is still working for a tournament.
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
Okay. Shit.
Did you swap your thing back to them or?
Sorry. There we go.
Oh, I just thought you didn't refresh on my end. Okay. So we probably want to use our class from above to run the tournament, right?
I mean, that's pretty simple. We just need to say, all we have to do is we have to say...
Just pass everything to winner.
Yeah. Okay.
How are they passing in the variable? Where's it left again? Sorry.
Oops.
Tournament winner. So they're just passing in an array of rock and paper.
Yeah.
So they're passing in one array. So we just need to split that array up and pass that to winner then.
Okay, but check this out, right? I mean, then it's gonna be sending in an array of arrays. Okay, I mean, if it's only ever an array of arrays, that's simple, right?
Then we'll just loop over every element of the array and just send it to winner.
Yeah.
Is that right? Is that right, or am I, sounds too simple.
Okay, we need to, okay, well, hang on. Look what it's doing over here. It's sending an array already of arrays. We just need to make sure that it can send an array of arrays.
Of arrays. Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Because rock and paper are already in arrays.
Yeah, but it's just pay special attention to that. It's an array of rocks and papers, and the more complex one is an array of arrays of arrays. So it's an array of rocks and papers.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, I see what you're saying.
Okay, this is easy. What we need to do is we just need to call tournament winner by itself. Tournament winner needs to call itself.
Okay.
Okay. You sound like worried.
I am. Yeah, sorry. I'm not on my game today.
Okay. Well, maybe I am. But I doubt it. Okay, so let's do this, right? Tournament winner needs to get something in, it needs to take something out, and then send something to choose.
So don't okay, I understand what you're saying about passing it to itself, but don't we need to get that base case of it actually calling winner working, and then we can pass from there. Once we have that case working, then when you pass it, the tournament, like the array of arrays, then you can pass it to itself.
Cool, so let's do the base case. Okay. So what we need to do is we need to return
self.winner
between
in tournament 0 and tournament 1.
Like that.
Yeah, that will. But I mean, that's obviously going to break on the next case.
And now it's throwing an exception.
Did the base case pass?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Okay, so now it's failing on the recursive case.
Yeah, that is on line 42. Okay.
42.
Okay, so that's the reason it's doing that is because it's
not getting sent through correctly now to self-winner.
So maybe what we need to do is we need to inspect
the array. What do you have a tournament variable?
Yeah, so we need to see if there's a game there or if we need to go a level deeper.
Okay. So a valid game would just be 2 arrays. Or yes?
Yeah.
Yes. An array of arrays is a game. No.
An array of arrays.
No, like one game.
Yeah. An array of arrays is one game.
An array of arrays is one game. So if it's not that, then we need to go deeper.
Yeah.
We need to recurse. Okay.
All right. So.
How do we check that though? Is there like a special thing that you can?
Yeah. I suppose we can check to see if the array has a strategy in it. So we don't really worry about the name Armando or Richard or whatever. We worry that there's a strategy in there.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Just to see if it's like the lowest cases you can get. Okay.
Okay, so we can say let's make like a marker, right?
Okay.
So marker equals 0. Okay. And then we can say while so while self dot so tournament.
Yeah.
Dot 1. Sorry, 0 1.
Not.
Well, strategies, keys, include. Well, it doesn't. So.
You need to do the negative of that, right? Yeah. While it doesn't, then call itself again.
Marker plus equals 1. So what we actually want to do is we want to go deeper. So we'll put that as the marker.
And then marker plus 1.
And then we will. And then we return. Okay, but that's not going to help us. I feel like I'm on the edge of figuring this out. Why do I suck so bad at recursion? Probably because I suck so badly at recursion.
While that marker equal to marker plus 1, what will you? Yeah,
sorry,
and then
just paying the bill.
Okay, no problem.
No, carry on.
Yeah, and then on the self dot winner. No. Marker is equal to marker plus 1, and then you call tournament winner on
self winner.
No, not yet. You need to do the recurse there. If that is if it doesn't include that, then you need to call the tournament again. Right?
So do we break out of the loop?
No. Only if it does include it, then you break out and then you do the return. If it doesn't include it, then you need to recurse.
No, right? But then how are we gonna go up and down? What you need to do is you need to go as
you use your marker, because your marker will be whatever your marker is, and then the next one will be marker plus 1.
Okay.
Like in your winner, it'll be tournament marker and tournament marker plus 1.
Okay, go for it.
You know what I'm saying?
I've just lost you, so type it out for me.
Wait, hold on, let me find the cursor. Okay. So I'm saying if it doesn't, marker is equal to. Oh, okay, I understand what you're saying. This thing, the loop is gonna loop anyway. No. Self tournament winner. How would we call? Like, will it be? Tournament marker. Would that work?
That might work.
And then if it does break, and then in here,
yeah, but we need to store the. You can't say self tournament when you need to say like. Oh God, I think we've written more than we could chew tonight.
Because what I'm thinking, like, if it breaks, then we know in here we'll just have like marker, right? And then here we'll have marker plus 1,
Okay, okay, hang on. Let's just go back here.
Okay.
I'm gonna go over here.
Undo that.
Don't worry. Let's just. Okay. So what happens here is we're meant to recursively call
winner. Oh.
Okay. So.
But we need to send the right thing to winner though.
Okay, so we know that the base case works. If you send it just like a simple array, it will figure it out. Okay? That's fine.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, it needs to be an array of 2 arrays. That's a game. One game is defined as an array of 2. No, wait. Sorry. See, I'm confusing winner with tournament winner. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay.
So in the tournament, one game in the tournament is defined as an array of 2 arrays. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So that's what we need to work our recursion down to. But how do you figure that out though?
Yeah, okay, just I'm just supposed to look at the writing method of.
Sorry?
Okay, it takes a tournament encoded as an array and returns the winner. For the above example, it should return Richard R. You can assume that the array is well formed. That is, there are 2 to the power of n players, and each one participates in exactly 1 match per round. Okay. All right.
Formulate the problem as a recursive one whose base case you solved in part 1.
Okay. So what we could theoretically do here is
what about this might sound stupid or super inefficient.
Yeah.
What about if you just recurse through like everything in tournament and send it to winner and no, that won't work. I was just thinking we just keep sending it through, and if it like gives back an error, then we just loop to the next one kind of thing. But no, that won't work. Oh, stop and cock.
Yeah, I'm trying to see if there's like any hints here for this thing. Base case, maybe. Okay, alright, hang on, that's a good one. So one way we could do it. One way we can do it is we can. Ah, shit! This is okay. So this is what I was trying to do. Okay, all right. So what we can also do.
So that was similar to what I was trying to say, but yeah, couldn't.
Check this all out. What we could do here is we can call winner on the 2 children and catch the exception that will be thrown if those children are tournaments and not players. Okay.
Because it'll throw an exception if it's not.
Yeah.
Okay. Then
so we can try self winner tournament 0 tournament 1.
Sorry, what does try do?
Try will try do something. Hang on, wow, I am not doing well today.
Me too, dude. Me too.
Okay, I think it's actually not try. I think it's like begin or something. Yeah, it's begin, not try. Okay, so
you're trying to do like try and catch kind of thing.
Yeah. Okay, so we say begin, and then we say rescue. No such strategy error.
Mm-hmm.
And then if that's the case, what we do is we'll just try one level lower.
Mm-hmm.
Then we say self tournament winner.
Mm-hmm.
Tournaments winner.
A tournament.
But no, we don't feed it tournament. We feed it tournament 0 end.
Tournament winner 0. Okay.
Okay, that didn't work. Rock, paper, scissors winner tourney should be. It expected Richard R. It got Dave S. Okay, so we know that it's kind of recursive.
It's kind of running, but how it expected Richard R, but it got Dave S. So that means it's not passing that first
Okay, so
like bracket correctly.
So let's do this. Tournaments.
Wouldn't it just keep doing the same one over and over?
Yes, it will. You can see it's stuck in an infinite loop now.
Okay. So don't we need like that marker thing there then? How we did have it. So you have your marker, right? And then you go winner, marker +1. And then if you do rescue it, you go marker +1. If you do rescue it, marker is equal to marker +1, and then you try it again. You know what I'm saying?
We can't do that because we're not going to keep state here. I mean, it's going to call itself and it's going to lose the state. So we need to find another way to do that. And I've only got a half an hour battery left. Damn it. Okay, self tournament winner. We need to send it something here.
Where's here?
On this line over here.
Oh.
We need to send it something that will
actually run correctly.
Yeah.
Well, it doesn't have to run correctly. It just needs to.
Okay, so you see, what happens is it's going to try and resolve the first two elements immediately. If it gets a no such strategy error, then it's going to call it again.
On tournament 0. So tournament 0 is that whole first.
Let's try tournament 1. Is that maybe what we wanted?
Expected.
Okay, that's different.
So that's going to that second element in the array instead of the first one.
Yeah.
But they're both not right. So we need to, like, if you just focus. So for example, if that tournament just had like that first element in it, like that first group, that's still not working. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So
we need to figure out how to go one level deeper. That's what we need to do.
Okay, so we're at the base level. So how do we do that?
So we're at the base level, and the base level is not an actual game. So then we need to call tournament with how do we
do we make like a hash here? I mean an array. We say tournament.
We need to go deeper into the first element. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because like now we're just iterating over like the base elements of tourney. Like let me just show you here. If I can. Oh shit! Sorry.
Got a bit of pry.
I want to go here. Yeah. So like what we currently looping over is like this whole thing. So that's tournament 0, and then this is tournament 1, right?
Yeah.
So what we need to do for is
tournament 0.
Tournament, yeah. So in tournament 0, we need to loop through these. We need to go deeper in tournament 0, and then once we're done with that, then we need to go into tournament 1, and then deeper into tournament 1. but I'm not quite sure how we'd actually do that though.
Okay. Okay. Let's just take a crack at that. So we want to do this then. Tournament 0-0. Tournament 0-1. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah. So that should work for the first case. Yeah. So you see, the first case worked, and then the tournament 1 case failed because we have it like hard-coded values in there. You know what I'm saying?
Mm.
So now we need to figure out how to generalize this instead of hard coding those elements in there, which I'm not sure.
Okay. Let's try this. We'll try this.
Okay.
Okay. I suppose we need to like loop through it or something.
Yeah, we need to loop through that array. But how do we know which array we're looping through so that we can keep track of those elements?
So we can say tournaments dot each.
Okay.
Tourney. And then we just say tourney 0, tourney 1, but I need to put these in.
Looks like oof. Expected. What did it?
Expected Richard R got the entire.
It sent the whole array. Wait. Okay. So each tourney is like tourney. The first time around will be like tournament 0, right?
Tourney the first time will be this whole array over here.
Yes. So for that array, we need to take tourney 0, which will be Armando and Dave, right?
Yeah.
Oh, should we just not? Should we send like not? Tournament winner doesn't take 2 arguments. It takes. Does that supposed to be winner, Gabriel? Not tournament winner.
No, tournament winner. We already got tournament over here.
But you're sending it. Oh, you're sending it 1 argument. I didn't see the bracket around.
Okay. The other thing is we're not keeping the winner here. We store that as like a.
Shit.
I think maybe we should call it a night, dude.
Yeah.
All right.
My brain is toast.
Yeah, let's call it a night. Don't do recursion so late at night. What I'm going to do is we can. Yeah, let's just call it a night, and then I'll upload the videos and the code and all of that tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, cool. Are you in Joburg tomorrow? Are you still there?
No, I'm back in Joburg.
Okay.
Cool, man. I'm gonna kill the broadcaster.
Yeah.
Okay, man. Cheers. Bye.
Cheers, dude.